Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, as you know, that we have started the revision, okay, of our maths syllabus, okay, though we are doing from the very last time, and as per the suggestions and as per the request of the students, they have told me that ma'am, they want to do chapter number 8 again, and that's what I have started. So in our previous session we have done up to exercise 18.1, and I have also given you introduction of a new topic, that was representing fraction into numbers. Okay, representing fraction into the numbers or finding objects equal to fractions. Okay, so that we have already written, that we have already done. Okay, so in spite of doing the picture work, we will start with the sum. Okay, so let's take few examples from your book and then we will start with the exercise. So I'm just taking the examples from the book. So before starting the example, the topic is chapter number 8. Okay, revision part we are doing, and okay, so I'm just taking an example from the book, that is example number 1 given at page number 86. Example 1 is, what is 3/4 of 1 liter? What is 3/4 of 1 liter? So that means हमें 3/4 fraction बतानी है of 1 liter. We have to find 3/4 fraction of 1 liter. Okay, so let's find it. Okay, the first thing, 3/4 of 1. Okay, sorry, in spite of writing it again. Okay, the first thing, solution हम क्या लिखेंगे? 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Okay, and we have to find 3/4 of 1 liter. Okay, so in spite of writing 1 liter, we can write the ml, क्योंकि 1 liter 1000 ml के इक्वल होता है. So 3/4 of 1 liter की बजाय we can 1000 ml भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, 3/4 ऑफ 1000 ml भी हम निकाल सकते हैं, बिकॉज दे बोथ आर 1. बिकॉज आप 1 से करोगे तो वो फिर अगेन फ्रैक्शन आ जाएगी, बट हमें क्या निकालना है? वी हैव टू फाइंड द 3/4, वी हैव टू फाइंड द फ्रैक्शन इन number. So 3/4 of 1000 ml, that is, let's calculate. Okay, so numerator will be multiplied with this. After multiplying numerator 3 with 1000, you will get 3000, and denominator will be same, that is 4. ये हमारा क्या हो गया? ml. Now by dividing numerator with denominator, you can calculate it as well. So let's do the division. Let's divide 3000 with 4. Let's divide 3000 with 4. Okay, so 4 sevens are 28 minus, यहाँ पे हमारे पास कितना आया? That would be 10. 2, 10 minus 2, 8, 2, nothing. So we will bring down 0. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. So 20 minus 20, nothing will be here. हमारे पास एक 0 बची, जो कि हम यहाँ ले जाएंगे. So that means 3/4 ml is equal to 750 ml. Okay, 3/4 ml is equal to 750 ml. Okay, and this calculation, if you want, you can do it, you can show it as well, or you can do it in the rough. Okay, this is up to you. Whatever method you want to use, you can. Okay, so 3/4 of 1000 ml is equal to 750 ml. Okay, write solution sentence. Therefore 3/4 of 1 liter is equal to 750 ml. 3/4 of 1 liter is equal to 750 ml. Clear? So this is the first example that I have taken from your book. Okay. चलिए, let's take few more examples. Okay, I'll take example number 2. देखिए बेटा, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सिर्फ क्वेश्चन से ही आपको आए, एग्जाम्पल से भी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. बिकॉज मतलब आपको सिंपली ये देखना, एग्जैक्टली सेम नहीं आएंगे. ओके, यू विल गेट द नंबर्स, यू विल बी चेंज्ड. ओके, दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग यू विल गेट. बट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट यू हैव टू से इज कि जो आप क्वेश्चंस लिखोगे, ओके, वो आपको बहुत ज़रूरी है कि बहुत ध्यान से आपको कंसेप्ट क्लियर होगा. देन यू विल बी इजीली बी एबल टू डू द क्वेश्चंस एज वेल. Okay, so let's do example number 2. Example number 2. So in the example number 2, if 1 kg tomatoes cost ₹20, find the cost of 1/4 of tomatoes. Okay, देखिए, cost of क्वेश्चन क्या दिया हुआ है. If 1 kg tomatoes, if 1 kg tomatoes cost ₹20, हमें क्या निकालना, पहला हम ये पार्ट में निकालेंगे. वी हैव टू फाइंड कॉस्ट ऑफ, वी हैव टू फाइंड cost of 1/4 kg of tomatoes. Okay, if the cost of 1 kg tomato is ₹20, now the question is given in the A part. If this sum is divided into 2 parts, the A part is find cost of 1/4 kg of tomatoes, and if the cost of 1 kg tomato is ₹20. Okay, तो लिखिए cost of, this is the solution. देखिए cost of 1 kg tomato. So first of all हम वो लिखेंगे that information that is already given. तो जो हमें already दिया हुआ है, first of all we will write that. That is the cost of 1 kg tomatoes is given. The cost of 1 kg tomatoes is equal to ₹20. Okay. Next we have to find the cost of 1/4 kg tomatoes. 1/4 kg जो tomatoes है उनकी हमें cost find out करनी है. That we have to find out. Cost of 1 kg tomato is ₹20. Cost of 1/4 kg tomatoes की हमें निकालनी है. Okay, that is, so that means we have to find, इसके लिए हमें क्या, we have to 1/4 of ₹20. 1 kg की इतनी है तो 1/4 की उससे कम होगी. So we will find the 1/4 of, अगर 1 kg की है तो इसके 1/4 की भी इसकी जो कॉस्ट है वो भी 1/4 होगी. So we will find the 1/4 of ₹20. Okay, as it is, that is 1/4 will be same, of will be changed into the sign of multiplication. ₹20, that is 20. Okay, so 1 multiplied by 20, numerator is multiplying, that is 20, and denominator is 4. Okay, let's divide 20 with 4. देखिए 24 के टेबल में 20 किस पे आता है, 5 पे. 5 4s are 20, so that is ₹5. So the cost of 1/4 kg of tomatoes is ₹5. Therefore the cost of 1/4 kg of tomatoes is ₹5. That's what you will write in the solution sentence. Therefore cost of 1/4 kg of tomatoes is 5. Therefore, cost of 1/4 kg of tomatoes is rupees 5. Okay. So this is the solution of example number 2. You can just pause it here and note it down in your notebook. Clear? चलिए, okay, and you have to do this example as well in your notebooks. आपको examples भी अपनी notebook में करनी है. Just make sure. Clear? Okay, so this was the A part. Let's move to the B part. In the B part, we have to find the 3/4 kg of tomatoes. So that means in B part हमें we have to find the cost of 3/4 kg of tomatoes. Okay. 1 kg टोमेटो की कॉस्ट सेम है, 1/4 की हमने निकाल ली. बाई दिस इज हाउ we have calculated the cost of 1/4 kg of tomatoes. Now we have to find the cost of 3/4 kg of tomato. Okay, by following the same method, let's find the cost of 3/4 kg of tomatoes. Okay, and now in spite of 1/4, we will find the cost of 3/4 kg of tomatoes. Okay, if the cost of 1 kg tomato is rupees 20, find the cost of 3/4 kg of tomatoes. Again same cost. This is the solution. Cost of 1 kg tomatoes cost of 1 kg tomatoes is equal to rupees 20. Okay, now we have to find the cost of 3/4 kg tomatoes. हमें 3/4 kg tomatoes जो है उनकी कॉस्ट ढूंढनी है. Okay, we have to find the cost of 3/4 kg of tomatoes. That means we have to find 3/4 of rupees 20. Okay, 1 kg की 20 rupees है, तो उसके 3/4 की कॉस्ट भी तो 3/4 हो जाएगी. Okay, so let's find out. 3/4 of will change the sign of multiplication and rupees 20 will be 20. Okay, so let's multiply this. So numerator will be multiplied with 23 to multiply by 20, that is 60. Denominator will be same, that is 4. Okay, 60 upon 4. Now let's divide 60 with 4. अब हम 60 को 4 से divide करेंगे. So that you can do in the rough. 60 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 2, 0. 4 fives are 20. Nothing will be left. So that is 15 is equal to rupees 15. So this rupees 15 is the cost of 3/4 kg of tomatoes. देखिए अलग से सॉल्यूशन सेंटेंस. तो देखिए 1 kg की दी थी, 3/4 की हमने निकाली 3/4 of rupees 20 करके, and this is how we have calculated the cost of 3/4 kg of tomatoes. So let's write. Therefore, cost of 3/4 kg of tomatoes. Therefore, cost of 3/4 kg of tomatoes is rupees 15. That is rupees 15. Okay, so this is the solution of the B part of example number 2. Okay class. तो देखिए आपको बेटा ऐसे ढूंढने हैं कॉस्ट ऑफ, मतलब जो भी क्वेश्चन दिया उसकी फ्रैक्शन को यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड इट लाइक दिस ओनली. ओके, so this is the solution of question number part B of example number 2 given under page number 87. Okay class. चलिए, now moving next to the exercise 8.2. Now here the exercise 8.2 is given. First few sum. Okay, that is a picture work and that we will discuss in the online class as we are doing the revision. So let's move to the some other part. Okay, so I will start with sum number 4 from exercise 8.2. Because as we are doing the revision, so in spite of doing this picture work, okay, I will start with sum number 4. चलिए, exercise is 8.2. Okay, exercise 8.2 that I am starting. Clear? चलिए, एक्सरसाइज 8.2 के हम फोर्थ सम से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. The fourth sum is find. This is the question. Okay, the fourth sum is find. Okay, so this fourth sum is divided into 6 different parts. Okay, and we have to find the numbers for that given fraction. हमें क्या करना है, हमें जो नंबर्स फ्रैक्शन दी हुई है उसका हमें नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है कि दैट इफ यू आर गोइंग टू रिप्रेजेंट दैट फ्रैक्शन इनटू नंबर, सो व्हाट विल बी द नंबर. Okay, so now we are going to represent the given fractions into numbers. ठीक है, तो देखिए, और you can find that of a number equal to the fraction, आप ये बोल सकते हैं. Starting with the A part. The A part we have to find 1/2 of 18. 1/2 of 18. Okay, or you can say half of 18. We have to find 1/2 of 18. अभी इससे पहले हमने जो 2 एग्जाम्पल्स की थी बेटा, बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली उसी की तरह वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड 1/2 और हाफ ऑफ 18. दैट इज 1/2 multiply by 18. 1/2 multiply by 18. Next, numerator will be multiplied with 18, that is 18. 1 18s are 18. Denominator will be same. 18 divided by 2. Okay, now let's divide 18 with 2. अब 18 को 2 से divide करेंगे. You can do that calculation in the rough, or if you want to show in the figure, you can do that as well. 2 9s are 18. Answer is 9. That is 9. Answer is 9. Therefore, 1/2 or half of 18 is 9. Half of 18 is 9. Okay, this is half of 18. Okay, moving to the B part. The B part is 1/5 of 15. 1/5 of 15. Now we have to find the fraction 1/5 for 15. Okay, तो हमें 1/5 निकालना है, 15 का 1/5 निकालना है. By following this same method, we are going to find the 1/5 of 15. Okay, solution. Okay, we will use the same method. So 1/5, that will be same. Of will change into sign of multiplication. 15 will be here. 1/5 of 15. Let's multiply 1 with 15. 1/15 multiply 15, that is 15. Denominator 5. So let's divide 15 with 5. 15 को 5 से divide करें. 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 15, nothing will be left. So the answer is 3. So 1/5 of 15 is 3. So the answer is 3. So this is the solution of the A and the B part of question number 4, and you can just pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, and make sure that all the revision questions you are going to do again in your notebooks. ये नहीं कि हमने पहले कर लिया मैम हम क्यों दोबारा करें. No, you are definitely going to do this revision once again in your notebook, and you are going to submit it as well during the copy submission on some copy submission date. Clear? चलिए लेट्स मूव टू द सी पार्ट. Okay, now moving to the C part of question number 4. Okay, so the question number 4 C part is, that is 1/4 of 20. That is 1/4 of 20. Okay, इन्होंने कुछ दिया नहीं है. So 1/4 of 20. Same method we will use in this as well. Okay. 1/4 of 20. 1/4, that is 1/4. Of will change into sign of multiplication. 20 will be 20. 1 multiplied by 20 is 20. Denominator will be same, that is 4. Okay. देखिए यहाँ तक हमने बिल्कुल सेम वही है. अगेन वी विल जस्ट डिवाइड 20 with 4. सो देखिए 24 के डिफरेंट 20 किस पे आता है? At 5. 5 4s are 20. So that means if we will divide 20 with 4, you will get 5 as your answer. Therefore, the answer is 5. Answer is 5. Therefore, 1/4 of 20 is 5. Okay. चलिए moving next to the D part. Okay, देखिए D part से the questions are changed little bit. That is 1/4 of rupees 28. 1/4 of rupees 28. We have to find 1/4 of rupees 28. अब देखिए here they have used, अभी यहाँ तक हमने simple numbers थे. Now here they have used the unit as well. So that means now we have to find 1/4 of rupees 28. Okay, but the method that we will use, that will be the same as we were using earlier. Okay, so let's find out 1/4 of rupees 28. Okay, that is the solution. 1/4 of rupees 28. So 1/4 of will change into the sign of multiplication. Rupees 28, that is, you can use the sign of rupees as well. If you want, you can use that sign. Then 28. 1/4 of rupees 28. Okay. So I just don't use this rupees sign. Okay, that is a bit confusing. 28. But don't forget to write the rupees in the answer. Okay, don't forget to write that rupee sign. Use that rupee sign in the answer. So 1 multiplied by 28, that is 28. Denominator 4. Okay, so that is 28 upon 4. So let's divide 28 with 4. Let's divide 28 with 4. Okay. 4 7s are 28. That means the answer you got is equal to 7. But don't forget to write the rupee sign here. That is rupee 7. Okay, you will write it as rupees 7. Okay. देखिए is equal to 2 rupees 7. So that means 1/4 of rupees 28 is rupees 7. Okay, therefore 1/4 of rupees 28 is equal to rupees 7. Clear? So this is 1/4 of rupees 28. Okay, beta. So this is the solution of the C and the D part. Okay. Now the next two parts, E and F. Okay, they both are also same like this D part. Okay, so let's do the next two parts, that is E and F. Okay. Chaliye, moving next to the E part, that is half of 34 kg. Okay, now as you can see, the unit has been changed here. Now we have to find the half of rupees 34. अभी हमें rupees 34 का half ढूंढना है. Okay, sorry, not rupees, kg. So we have to find the half of 34 kg. Half of 34 kg or 1 upon 2 of 34 kg. So that means देखिए in spite of 1 के अलावा अगर यहाँ पे कोई और यूनिट होता, जब कोई और नंबर होता, तो we will directly multiply and divide with that. But here it is kg, so you can use it with kg. If you want, you can change into the grams as well, but that will be very long. So in spite of changing into grams, you can just directly do it. Half, that is 1 upon 2 of will change to sign of multiplication, 34 kg, that is 3 4. 1 upon 2 of 34. So 1 multiplied by 34. 1 multiplied by 34 is 34. Denominator is 2. 34 upon 2. So let's divide 34 with 2. 34 divided by 2. Clear? 2 ones are 2 minus 3 minus 2 1. Let's bring down 4. 2 sevens are 14. 14 minus 14, nothing will be left. That is 17. So that is 17 what? 17. The unit is kg. So we will write 17 kg. We will write 17 kg. Okay. Therefore, now we have found the solution. Therefore, 1 upon 2 of 34 kg is equal to 17 kg. 1 upon 2 of 34 kg or half of 34 is 17 kg. So this is the solution of the E part of question number 4. You can just pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Clear? चलिए moving next to the F part. Okay, so in the F part is given 1/3 of 33 liter. Now देखिए every question the unit is being changed. Earlier it was rupees, now it's kg, and now the F part is 1/3 of 33 liter. So now we have to find the 1/3 of 33 liter. Okay, तो 1/3 निकालना है 33 liter का. Okay, same as it is 1/3, that will be same. Of will change into sign of multiplication, that is multiplication. 33 liter will be same, that is 33. Okay, now as the number is given, we have to multiply it with the numerator. हम number किससे multiply करते हैं? Numerator. 1 multiplied by 33 is 33. Okay, 1 multiplied by 33 is 33. Denominator will be same, that is 3. Okay, the denominator हमारा same रहेगा. So now you have to divide 33 with 3. Okay, because we divide numerator with denominator. So let's divide 33 with 3. Okay, देखिए वैसे आप 11 का टेबल करेंगे तो भी आपको, लेकिन बट लेट्स डू, जिनको नहीं समझ में आया they can do the division properly. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3, nothing will be left. Bring down the next digit, that is 3 again. 3 ones are 3, nothing will be left again. So the answer that we got after the division is 11. That is 11. Okay. So will we write only 11? क्या हम अकेला 11 लिखेंगे? No. We will write the unit as well. That is liter. That is 11 liter. Okay. At last, 1/3 of 33 liter is 11 liter. Write down the solution sentence. Therefore, 1/3 of 33 liter is equal to 11 liter. Okay. So this is the solution of E and F part from question number 4 of exercise 8.2. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, so this is how you are going to change a fraction into number, or you can find a number for a fraction. Okay, so with this I'm just ending the session here with class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a good day.